Hello, little friends. This is Mommy's Art School, and today we are going to draw a little bunny Easter egg. We are going to fill all the space and draw a smile. We start with a big smile. Go halfway and then the other halfway. And this is the bottom of the egg. This we can fix later with a thicker marker. And then let's do another long curve going all the way down and touch the smile. In this side, we're going to do a little dot and bring the line down. Now, I remember the bunny we're doing today, it has actually the ears down. So we are going to do the top of the egg, but don't close it all the way. And then we're gonna do a little curve this way. Then another like a happy face. Another one. And then close it a tiny bit. And then close it all the way with a big smile. Bring it to the egg. That's one ear, and we're gonna do the opposite one the same way. A little going down. Go down a little more. Close it inwards. And now a big smile. Great. So now we are going to do the cutie eyes. So in this case, we're going to do oval eyes. One on the opposite side. And we normally do circles. A bigger and a smaller one. In this case, we do a bigger oval and a smaller oval. Bigger oval and a smaller oval. And then filling in. Great! Now, we're gonna do the cute little mouth. This cute little mouth is almost like an oval. And then we're gonna do the little tongue. This way. And then we're gonna paint it red later. And then we're gonna do two little cheeks, like two ovals. Okay? And now fill it in the mouth. And then we're going to do a few little pico de montas, like triangles. 1, 2 lines. Don't put the one at the bottom. 1, 2. 1 and 2, and the opposite side as well. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we have 5 little mountains, and now we're gonna do like a big smile. Are you ready? Go the way you can do it. Now we're gonna do another little line, the thickness of one of your little fingers. And then we are going to do some little clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start with one cloud. Puffy cloud. 2 puffy cloud. 3 puffy cloud. It's looking amazing, guys. And 4, a little bit of a part of one. Now we're gonna close it with another happy smile, big curve, and one more. And then we are going to do a very cute little mountains, the small ones down here. 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5. Great! Now it's time for the thicker marker. We go all the way around the egg. You can close in the middle and then the ears. There you go! Whee! Just have a lot of fun. And here. And close, and now the top of the head or the egg And now the top of the mountains. Great. Now I feel really excited to use these gel markers, red for the tongue and pink for the cheeks, and green for the mountains. We're gonna use light green first. It's like a gel crayon. And then I'm gonna put darker green and just explore and have fun. And now I'm gonna fill the sky with light blue right next to the clouds. And then I'm also gonna do it right next to the small mountains. And now I'm gonna bring the darker blue. But remember, you can use all your favorite colors. And then I'm going to close painting these green mountains. If you want, you can put a little darker green on one side. Yay! Great! You did great job! And don't forget to like, subscribe, so you never forget another adventure with Mommy's Art School. Ciao, ciao!